The story of Mrs. Aisha, a true story from a nursing home. One of the workers in a nursing home told this story. She said, about 1 month ago, an old woman named Mrs. Aisha passed away. She was 82 years old. She came to our home 20 years ago. I still remember the day she arrived. Her son, Dr. Yasser, brought her here. She looked very weak and said only a few words. When I talked to her, she started to cry. She told me her story. I was a French teacher, she said. I met a man who was also a French teacher. He was kind and honest. He asked me to marry him, and I said yes. We were happy together. We had 3 children, Yasmin, Abir, and Yasser. But after 10 years, my husband died in an accident. I was 35 years old. My family asked me to marry again, but I refused. I wanted to live only for my children. I worked very hard, day and night, teaching at school and giving private lessons. I wanted my children to study in good schools and have a better life. Years passed quickly. My children grew up and finished university. Yasmin went to England and got married there. Abir also married her professor and moved to another country. Yasser, my son, became a doctor. He wanted to marry a doctor from his work. He asked to have the wedding at my house. I was very happy and helped him with everything. But after marriage, his wife changed. She treated me badly, like I was her servant. When my son was near, she acted kind to me. After some years, they had children, and the house became small. His wife spent a lot of money on clothes and cars. Then one day, she told my son to send me to a nursing home. One morning, my son said, "Mother, take your bag. We are going on a trip." I was so happy because I hadn't gone anywhere for a long time. He said, "We're going to the sea." I packed my best clothes. After a short drive, the car stopped. I said, "So soon? Are we there?" He said coldly, "Get out, Mother." I looked around and saw a sign, "Nursing Home." My heart stopped. He left me there. "Now I live here," said Mrs. Aisha, "and for 20 years, no one came to visit me. Only Yasmin came 2 or 3 times. Before she died, we called her children. We told them her mother was sick and wanted to see them, but no one came. After her death, they all came together, not to see her, but to take her papers and talk about the inheritance. Sometimes we ask, are these people still human?
The